Want to know who's around and ready to team up in Mobile Legends Ban? In this video, I'll walk you through how to add nearby friends on Mobile Legends. Let's get started. First, ensure that location services are enabled on your iPhone. To do this, head over to the settings. Now, scroll down until you spot Privacy and Security and then tap on it. Then, select Location Services and switch it on. After that, close the settings and launch Mobile Legends. Next, tap on the arrow to open the Friends menu. Here, you will see your game's buddies, Facebook friends, and more. Now, to find nearby friends, tap on this icon to bring up Social menu. After that, switch to the Nearby tab and tap the refresh button. Now, simply choose either Allow Once or Allow while using app to grant Mobile Legends access to your location. And there you go! You will see a list of friends who are near your location. Now, go ahead and follow friends from this list. And that's all there is to it, folks. That's how you can find nearby friends on Mobile Legends. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one!